Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to fix frozen, unresponsive or stuck screen on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So if your phone does not react to any swipes, taps, movements and so on, you can try to start forced restart. For this we would need this type of combination such as volume up button, then volume down button, and then pressing and holding the power button until you'll see the Apple logo appears on the screen. Let me show you this. I'm gonna press volume up button, then down button, and then press and hold the power button, and now continue pressing till you'll see the Apple logo appears on the screen. So let's wait a couple of seconds till it will react to my request. So now I can release the button and just wait till it will turn on again. And now everything should be just fine, but if not, you can try to do just the same thing as I showed you before. Combination volume up button, volume down, and then pressing and holding the power button. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.